Welcome to our journey into the divine realm of Hindu mythology. Today, we delve into the world of Ganesha, the beloved elephant god, whose stories and symbolism captivate millions across the globe. Ganesha, also known as Ganpati or Vinayak, is one of the most revered deities in Hinduism. With his distinctive elephant head and a body of a child, Ganesha is the god of wisdom, prosperity, and the remover of obstacles. But who exactly is Ganesha and what makes him so unique? Let's explore. Ganesha is the son of Shiva, the supreme god of destruction, and Parvati, the goddess of fertility and love. As the Lord of Beginnings, Ganesha is worshipped at the start of any new venture or journey, symbolizing the removal of obstacles and the blessing of good fortune. His image is both enduring and powerful: an elephant head, a round body, and four arms, each holding symbolic items that reflect his divine attributes. The story of Ganesha's creation is as fascinating as the god himself. According to legend, Parvati created Ganesha from the turmeric paste she used for her bath. She breathed life into this figure and set him to guard her while she bathed. When Shiva returned home and encountered Ganesha, he was unaware of who this new guardian was. A fierce battle ensued, leading to Ganesha's head being severed. To soothe Parvati's grief, Shiva replaced Ganesha's head with that of an elephant, restoring him to life and making him one of the most beloved gods. Ganesha is not just known for his distinctive appearance but also for his divine powers and unique attributes. He rides on a tiny mouse, which symbolizes humility and the ability to overcome obstacles. In his four hands, Ganesha holds various objects, including a noose, a gourd, a sweet, and a broken tusk. Each item has its own significance. The noose represents the ability to pull followers towards spiritual truth, the gourd signifies the power to remove obstacles, and the sweet symbolizes the rewards of a life well lived. Ganesha's favorite foods are also quite famous, with modaks, sweet dumplings made of coconut and jaggery, being his most beloved treat. These sweets are offered to him during his festivals, particularly Ganesh Chaturthi. Ganesha is depicted in many different forms across India. For instance, in some traditions, he is shown with a single tusk, while in others, he has two. His forms and attributes can vary by region, reflecting local interpretations of his symbolism. In some areas, Ganesha is also worshipped as a deity of learning and knowledge, while in others, he is honored as a guardian against evil. Each representation tells a different aspect of his divine nature. One of the most significant festivals dedicated to Ganesha is Ganesh Chaturthi. This grand festival is celebrated with great enthusiasm across India, especially in Maharashtra. Elaborate statues of Ganesha are created, paraded through the streets, and immersed in water, symbolizing his return to the divine realm. The festival includes music, dance, and vibrant decorations, reflecting the joy and reverence that people have for Ganesha. It's a time when communities come together to celebrate his presence and seek his blessings. Ganesha's influence extends beyond traditional worship. He has appeared in various forms of art, literature, and even popular culture. From ancient sculptures to contemporary paintings and digital media, Ganesha's image continues to inspire creativity and devotion. In literature, Ganesha is often depicted as a wise and compassionate figure who offers guidance and protection. His story has inspired countless artists and writers to explore his profound symbolism and attributes. Ganesha, with his enduring form and powerful symbolism, remains a beacon of wisdom and success in Hindu mythology. We hope this exploration has given you a deeper appreciation for the elephant god and his significance. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more captivating tales from Hindu mythology. Hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Share your thoughts or questions about Ganesha in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.